good. Cross it off. What's the next one?
Cross. C. What's this letter?
A.
C. A. R. Sar. No. Car. Car.
Very good.
Car.
Go ahead, cross it off. Can you sit back up in the chair?
Okay.
What's the next one?
The next one is W. S. No. W. I. S. A.
H. Yep. What's a W sound like?
Wa.
Good. What's the I sound like? I sounds like what? Yep. What does SH together sound like?
Huh?
S and H together, what do they sound like?
It's an inch together.
Sounds like what? Yes. So what's that word? Put all those sounds together.
Uh-oh.
Did you forget which one it is? Uh-oh, wrong page. Go to the next one. Okay, where were you?
I like one that won't with the W.
That's right. What is that word?
Itch.
What's a W sound like? Look at it.
What?
Mm-hmm.
What? Wash.
Wish.
Wish. I can spell wish. This is what it spells. Wish.
Good.
Wish you luck.
Okay, that's too close.
I don't know which one it is.
I doubt you can read them like that.
Oh.
Okay, I think we're done.